Having trouble with Boost Mobile texts? Let's get straight to it. Texting issues usually boil down to a few key things. Either SMS, plain text, or MMS, pictures group texts problems. SMS sends plain text up to 160 characters. MMS handles images, videos, and group texts requiring data. MMS often needs a data connection, so that's the first suspect. It could also be your APN settings. These are like the gateway for your mobile data, and if they're wrong, texts, especially MMS, won't go through. Think of it like a wrong address. Also, a weak signal or a damaged SIM card can prevent texts from sending or receiving. Boost uses LTE 5G, so make sure your phone's registered on the network. Overages on your plan, international roaming, or even conflicts with third-party messaging apps can also be the culprit. Always check your signal strength, restart your device, and double-check that the right phone number is linked to your account. First, ensure your Boost mobile app is updated to the latest version to improve MMS handling. Next, double-check your APN settings. For Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network Access Point names, and verify the APN is set to Boost with MMSC at msc.boostmobile.com. Then, ensure you have a strong data connection for MMS, as texts will fail if your device is in Wi-Fi only mode. If there was a recent iOS update, try toggling RCS off in your message settings and then back on to resolve incompatibility. If the problem persists, try restarting your device or switching to airplane mode briefly to reset your network connection. Finally, contact Boost Mobile support and consider a SIM swap if all else fails. Most issues are fixable with these steps.